Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll show you how you can enable spatial wallpaper on iOS 26. iOS 26 introduces an all-new visual upgrade called Spatial Wallpaper. So let's get started. So before we begin, you have to note that this feature only works on iPhone running the iOS 26. If you're using iPhone 12 or newer, you're good to go. So from your home screen, simply swipe down to open up your notification center. Then long press on a screen anywhere until the lock screen editor appears. Inside here, simply tap on Customize. And just like that, choose a new photo for your wallpaper. For best results, use photos of people or pets. The spatial effect looks much better with depth in the images. Now once your photo is set, tap the small spatial icon next to the three dot. Just like that, your iPhone will analyze the image for a few seconds, and the three partial effect will be enabled automatically. You'll notice the effect when you tilt your phone side to side or up and down. That's it. After you're done, simply tap on Add, and just like that, you have successfully enabled spatial wallpapers on your iOS 26. Thank you all for watching. If this video was helpful, leave a like and sub, and I'll see you in the next one.